Hello guys, I have purchased this POCO X6 Pro 5G and here I'll show the specifications and even features. So see here, POCO X Pro, it's an MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra, and here you can see 64 MP triple camera with OIS and 5000 mAh battery and 1.5K 120 Hz and AMOLED display, 67 watt turbo charging, and here you can see POCO yellow color. This is yellow color I have purchased because ladies almost love yellow, and 8 GB to 56 GB. So now I'll unbox this POCO X6 Pro 5G. So just we'll open it and we'll see here you can see and here you can see SIM ejector pin, and next this is the guide. You can read for specifications and all, and you can go through it. And here my mobile, see, flip cover, here you can see this is the mobile phone, and here you can see the camera 64 MPOS, and here model and all. And next you can see this is the cover. They have provided a cover with this. It's very beautiful. And next we can see here adapter. See, cable, adapter and cable is there, and that's it. So that's it. I have unboxed this. Now we'll